Hi everyone, welcome back to Sri Sampath Vinayaka Learn Easy channel. Now, here in this video we are going to discuss about exercise 1A section 2 of the locusma. Okay, now in that section 2, first problem is find the equation of the locus P if the line segment joining these two points subtends a right angle at P. See ma, let the given points A 2, 3, B -1, 5. Okay, so see ma, here the line joined by the line segment formed by joining this A and B 2, 3 -1, 5 subtends 90 degrees at the point P. Okay, so let a point P x1, y1 on the locus. Okay, that is given geometric condition. See ma, here the given geometric condition is angle P or APB is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, that is here I am going to apply Pythagoras theorem. AB square is equal to PA square plus PB square. AB square means we know that 2 minus of -1 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square is equal to x1 minus 2 whole square, y1 minus 3 whole square plus x1 minus of -1, that is x1 plus 1 whole square plus y1 minus 5 whole square. Okay nama? So see here it is 3 square plus -2 whole square is equal to x1 square minus 4x1 plus 4 plus y1 square minus 6y1 plus 9 plus x1 square plus 2x1 plus 1 y1 square minus 10y1 plus 25. Okay nama? So shift all the values to that side ma. That is 2x1 squares, 2y1 squares. Now it is minus 4x1 and it is plus 2x1, that is minus 2x1, and it is minus 6y1 and minus 10y1 minus 16y1. Coming to the constant values, 4 plus 9 it is 13, 13 plus 1 14, 14 plus this 29, that is 25, that is 39, minus it is 9 plus 3 9 plus 4 it is 13. Okay nama? That implies 2x1 square plus 2y1 square minus 2x1 minus 16y1 plus 26 is equal to 0. Okay, x1 square plus y1 square minus x1 minus 8y1 plus 13 is equal to 0. Therefore, the required equation of the locus is x square plus y square minus x minus 8y plus 13 is equal to 0, where x1 y1 is not equal to 2 3 and not equal to -1 5. Okay, then this is our required equation of the locus. Okay, see ma, the second question. The ends of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle are 0, 6 and 6, 0. Then he is asking us to find the equation of the locus of the third vertex. Okay, firstly we have to write the given ends of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle. So firstly we have to assume their names. Let the given points A 0, 6, B 6, 0. Firstly we have to write a right angle triangle and its vertices as A, B. A is taken as 0, 6 and B is taken as 6, 0. Okay na? Let us suppose this third vertex as x1, y1. Okay. Let the third vertex be x1, y1. Okay now, geometric condition. What is the geometric condition here we know ma? Angle APB is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, again we are going to use that Pythagoras theorem. AB square is equal to AP square plus BP square. Okay, now use a coordinate geometry formulas to convert this geometric condition into algebraic conditions. See, AB square means 6 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 6 whole square. Okay, AP square means x1 minus 0 whole square plus y1 minus 6 whole square plus BB square or BP square means x1 minus 6 whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square. So just by simplifying this, 36 plus 36 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square minus 12y1 plus 36 plus x1 square minus 12x1 plus 36 plus y1 square. So here 36 and 36 are going to be cancelled with these two 36. So see here on the right hand side we are having 2x1 squares, 2y1 squares. Okay, minus 12x1 minus 12y1 is equal to 0. By taking out the 2 common, x1 square plus y1 square minus 6x1 minus 6y1 is equal to 0. This is our required equation of the locus. Therefore, the required equation of the locus is sigma x square plus y square minus 6x minus 6y is equal to 0, where we have to express again that p x1 y1 not equal to the points 0, 6 and 6, 0. Okay now, this is our required equation of the locus. Sigma, third one. Find the equation of the locus of a point, the difference of whose distances from minus 5 to 0 and 5, 0 is 8. Okay, that means here he mentioned clearly that is the difference from a point to that minus 5, 0 and 5, 0 is 8. Okay, firstly we have to write the given points. Let the given points, this one as A 5, 0, B minus 5, 0. Okay, let P x1, y1 be a point on the locus. We just assumed that P x1, y1 as a point on the locus. Now, given geometric condition is that the difference between the distances PA and PB is 8. So, which one is greater we don't know, no? That's what we have to keep that modulus here. PA minus PB is equal to 8. Okay now, here you may solve this one by using two different methods. That is, you may square directly both sides onto this equation. Okay now, by doing that, Okay, you are going to get a lengthy problem. Okay, because of that I am not going to follow that. So firstly, PA minus PB is equal to 8 means PA minus PB value directly I am going to consider it as 8. Okay, that is I am going to assume as equation 1. Now I am going to find the value of PA square minus PB square in general. PA square minus PB square means we know that PA means distance between that P to A. X1 minus 5 whole square plus Y1 minus 0 whole square. Okay, now as it is square, the root is going to be cancelled. Similarly, x1 minus of minus 5, that is plus 5, y1 minus 0 whole square. Okay, we know that PA square minus PB square is in the form of A square minus B square. So PA plus PB into PA minus PB is equal to its simplified value. While simplifying it, see this x1 square and this minus x1 square plus 25 and minus 25 plus y1 square and minus y1 square are going to be cancelled. Now PA plus PB into, in the place of PA minus PB I am going to write 8. Okay, is equal to, this is minus 10x1 minus 10x1 minus 20x1. It is 4 2s are 4 5s are. So therefore PA plus PB is equal to minus 5 by 2 into x1. Okay na? Now I am going to add this equation 1 and 2. So PA minus PB is equal to 8 is equation 1 and PA plus PB is equal to minus 5 by 2 into x1 is our equation 2. By adding these two, this plus PB and minus PB is going to be cancelled. Then 2PA is equal to 8 minus of 5 by 2 x1. So by simplifying this, 2PA is equal to 16 minus 2PA is equal to 16 minus 5x1 by 2. Just transfer this 2 to this side. Thus 4PA is equal to 16 minus 5x1. Now squaring on both sides. So 16PA square is equal to 16 minus 5x1 whole square. Okay, PA means we know the distance between P to A. So x1 minus 5 whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square is equal to, expand it by using A minus B whole square. 16 minus 5x1 whole square is 256 minus 160x1 plus 25x1 square. Okay now, after that again expand this value x1 minus 5 whole square. So x1 square minus 10x1 plus 25 plus y1 square. Now multiply this and transfer all the values to right hand side. So 25x1 square, this is minus 16x1. Next, this is plus 16y square. By transferring that one into right hand side, minus 16y1 square minus there I am having 160x1. Here it is minus 160x1. By transferring that side it becomes plus 160x1. Okay, and there I am having 256, and here 16 into 25 400. This plus 400, by transferring right hand side it becomes minus 400. So minus 400 is equal to 0. Here 25 minus 16 means 9x1 square, 16y1 square. These two x1 terms are going to be cancelled, is equal to 144. Okay, so bring this 144 to left hand side to divide each and every term. So 9x1 square by 144 minus 16 by 144 y1 square. 9 ones are 9, 16s are 16 ones are 16 nines are it is. Okay nama? So x1 square by 16 minus y1 square by 9 is equal to 1. This is our required equation of the locus. That is x square by 16 minus y square by 9 is equal to 1. Okay na? See this is the fourth question. Find the equation of the locus of P if A 4, 0, B minus 4, 0 and PA minus PB is equal to 4. Okay, firstly we have to write the given points. Given points A 4, 0, B minus 4, 0. Now we have to assume a point P x1, y1 on the locus. So let P x1, y1 be a point on the locus. Given geometric condition is PA minus PB is equal to 4. That is why here I am going to write PA minus PB is equal to 4. Here you may directly do squaring on both sides and you have to simplify it. Then also you are going to get the equation of the locus. But that is somewhat lengthy comparatively this problem. Okay. Now PA minus PB is equal to 4. Let this is as equation 1. Now just calculate PA square minus PB square. PA square minus PB square in the sense PA square means we know the distance between P to A square. So x1 minus 4 whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square minus PB square means x1 minus of minus 4 plus 4 plus y1 minus 0 whole square. So PA square minus PB square means PA plus PB into PA minus PB is equal to, just expand it by using a minus b whole square. So x1 square minus 8x1 plus 16 plus y1 square minus x1 square minus 8x1 minus 16 minus y1 square. So here x1 square x1 square plus 16 minus 16 plus y1 square minus y1 square are going to be cancelled. Here see minus 8x1 minus 8x1 minus 16x1. In the place of PA minus PB I am going to write this 4. PA plus PB is equal to 4 1 ja 4 4 German. So minus 4x1. So let it be equation 2. Just add that equation 1 and equation 2. PA minus PB is equal to 4 is equation 1. PA plus PB is equal to minus 4x1 is equation 2. By adding these two, minus PB and plus PB are going to be cancelled, and 2PA is equal to 4 minus 4x1. Cancel this 2. Okay. PA minus PA is equal to 2 minus 2x1. By squaring on both sides, PA square is equal to 2 minus 2x1 whole square. PA square means we know the distance between P to A. So x1 minus 4 whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square is equal to, expand it by using a minus b whole square. 4 plus 4x1 square minus 8x1. Here this 8x1 and minus 8x1 minus 8x1 are going to be cancelled. Now transfer all the values to right hand side. Then 4x1 square minus x1 square minus y1 square plus 4 minus 16 is equal to 0. This is 3x1 square minus y1 square is equal to 12. Just divide entire terms with 12. So 3 by 12 x1 square minus y1 square by 12 is equal to 1. That is x1 square by 4 minus y1 square by 12 is equal to 1. That is our required equation of the locus. Okay, now we have to express x1 y1 in terms of x comma y. So x square by 4 minus y square by 12 is equal to 1 is our required equation of the locus. Okay na? See ma? Fifth one. Find the equation of the locus of a point, the sum of whose distances from 0 to and 0 minus 2 is 6. That means the sum of the distances from a point to this 0 comma 2 and 0 comma minus 2 is given as 6. So firstly let the given points as a 0 comma 2, b 0 comma minus 2. Then after let p x1 y1 be a point on the locus. Now we have to write the geometric condition. The given geometric condition is PA plus PB is equal to 6. Let it be equation 1. Okay na? As usually just calculate PA square minus PB square. PA square minus PB square means PA means the distance between P to A. PB means distance between P to B whole square. Okay. So just PA square minus PB square means PA plus PB into PA minus PB is equal to, expand it by using the formulas x1 square plus y1 square minus 4y1 plus 4 minus x1 square minus y1 square minus 4y1 minus 4. Here x1 square plus y1 square minus x1 square minus y1 square are going to be cancelled. This plus 4 and minus 4 are going to be cancelled. PA plus PB means 6. PA minus PB is equal to, here see it is minus 4y1 and it is minus 4y1. Totally it is minus 8y1. That implies see 2 4s are 2 3s are. So PA minus PB is equal to minus 4 by 3 y1. Okay na? So let it be 2. Okay. 1 plus 2 implies, just do 1 plus 2 PA plus PB is equal to 6. PA minus PB is equal to minus 4 by 3 y1. So here these two PBs are going to be cancelled. Then 2PA is equal to 6 minus 4 by 3 y1. That implies PA is equal to 3 minus 2 by 3 y1. Okay, now squaring on both sides. PA whole square is equal to 3 minus 2 by 3 y1 whole square. Okay, now PA square means the distance between P to A, x1 minus 0 whole square plus y1 minus 2 whole square is equal to just, it is 9 minus 2 2s are 4y1, okay, plus 4 by 9 y1 square. Okay, Nama? So now here see, x1 square plus y1 square minus 4y1 plus 4 is equal to 9 minus 4y1 plus 4 by 9 y1 square. This minus 4y1 and minus 4y1 are going to be cancelled. Okay, so x1 square plus y1 square, see minus 4 by 9 y1 square plus 4 minus 9 is equal to 0. I am bringing back all the values from right hand side to left hand side. Now here see, x1 square plus, it is 9y1 square minus 4y1 square by 9 minus 5 is equal to 0. That implies x1 square plus 5y1 square by 9 is equal to 5. Okay, by simplifying this, x1 square by 5 plus y1 square by 9 is equal to 1. Therefore, the required equation of the locus is x square by 5 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. Okay, na? This is our required equation of the locus. C. Find the equation of the locus of P if A 2, 3, B 2, minus 3 and PA plus PB is equal to 8. Firstly, we have to write the given points. Given points A 2, 3, B 2, minus 3. Let P x1, y1 be a point on the locus. Point on the locus. Okay, Nama? Therefore, given geometric condition, see, the given geometric condition is PA plus PB is equal to 8. Let it be 1. Okay, firstly, we have to assume P x1, y1 as a point on the locus A 2, 3 and B 2, minus 3. Okay, now just calculate PA square minus PB square. PA square means x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus 3 whole square minus PB square means x1 minus 2 whole square, next plus y1 plus 3 whole square. Okay, now while simplifying this, just write x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 square minus 6y1 plus 9 minus x1 minus 2 whole square minus y1 square, okay, minus 6y1 plus 9. These two are going to be cancelled here and y1 square are going to be cancelled. Okay, Nama? This plus 9 in the sense it is becomes minus 9, plus 9 minus 9 are going to be cancelled. Minus 12 y1 it is. Okay, na? PA square minus PB square means PA plus PB into PA minus PB. Okay, that implies PA plus PB means we know that 8. Okay, na? So 8 into PA minus PB. That implies 4 2s are 4 3s are it is. So PA minus PB is equal to minus 3 by 2 y1. Let it be 2. Okay. So 1 and 2 we are going to add now. Okay, 1 plus 2 implies PA plus PB is equal to 8. PA minus PB is equal to minus 3 by 2 y1. By adding these two PB and minus PB are going to be cancelled. Then 2 PA is equal to 8 minus 3 by 2 y1. Okay, see now, that implies 16 minus 3 y1 by 2 is equal to 2 PA. That implies 4 PA is equal to 16 minus 3 y1. Okay, squaring on both sides, that is 16 PA square is equal to 16 minus 3 y1 whole square it is. Okay, just we have to simplify this one. So see, 16 into PA square means PA distance x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus 3 whole square. Okay, is equal to 16 square means 256 minus 2 3s are 6, 16s are 96 y1 plus 9 y1 square. Okay, now see ma, 16 into x1 square minus 4x1 plus 4 plus y1 square minus 6y1 plus 9 is equal to 9y1 square minus 96y1 plus 256. Okay now, so bring all the tens to left hand side ma. So 16x1 square minus, just write y1 square here, 16y1 square minus 9y1 square. Okay, and this is 16 4s are 64x1 minus 16 6 are it is 96y1 minus of this plus 96y1, and now 4 plus 9 it is 13 more. 13 into 16 we have to write 208 minus 256 is equal to 0. See here, these two 96y1 minus 96y1 are going to be cancelled. This is 16x1 square. See ma, here plus 7y1 square minus 64x1 it minus 48 is equal to 0. Okay na, therefore the required equation of the locus is 16x square plus 7y square minus 64x minus 48 is equal to 0. Okay na, see ma, 7th question. A 5, 3 and B 3, minus 2 are the two fixed points. Find the equation of the locus of P so that the area of the triangle PAB is 9. Okay, firstly we have to write the given vertices. Given vertices of a triangle A 5, 3, B 3, minus 2. Let P x1, y1 be a point on the locus. Okay, point on the locus. See what that is given geometric condition. See ma, here the given geometric condition is area of triangle PAB is equal to 9 he gave. We know that area formula half modulus x1 into sigma y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, that is equal to 9 he gave. So just substitute the formula. x1 into y2 means we know that 3 minus of minus 2. Okay, and x2 means 5 into, tell me ma, y3, that is minus 2 minus y1, plus x3 means 3 into, okay na, y1 minus y2. Okay na, see, in this way we are going to write. Now transfer this 2 to that side ma, then 5x1 it is, okay, plus minus 10 plus minus 5y1 plus 3y1 minus 9 is equal to 18. Okay, by this I am going to write 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 19 is equal to 18. This can be expressed as 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 19 is equal to plus 18, or 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 19 is equal to minus 18. Okay, now by this I am going to write 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 37 is equal to 0, or 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, therefore the required equation of the locus, required equation firstly I am going to write is 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 37 into 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, that is the required equation of the locus. Is we know that we have to express it in terms of x and y now. 5x minus 2y minus 37 into 5x minus 2y plus 1, minus 1 is equal to 0. This is our required equation of the locus ma. See ma, find the equation of the locus of a point which forms a triangle of area 2 with the points A 1, 1 and B minus 2, 3. Firstly we have to write the given vertices of a triangle. Given vertices of a triangle. Tell me ma, A 1, 1, B minus 2, 3. Okay, let P x1, y1 be a point on the locus. Okay, so firstly write that P x1, y1. Okay, and A 1, 1, B minus 2, 3. Given geometric condition. See, the given geometric condition is area of triangle PAB is equal to 2. So that is half modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is equal to 2. Okay, now just transfer the values now. Okay, this 2 to that side. X1 into y2 means 1 minus 3 plus x2 means 1 into y3 means 3 minus y1 plus x3 means minus 2 into y1 minus 1 is equal to 2 2s are 4 it is. Okay, now it is minus 2x1 plus 3 minus y1 minus 2y1 plus 2 is equal to 4. Okay, that is minus 2x1 minus 3y1 plus 5 is equals to 4 more. Okay, that implies 2x1 plus 3y1 minus 5 modulus is equal to 4. So that means 2x1 plus 3y1 minus 5 is equal to plus 4, or 2x1 plus 3y1 minus 5 is equal to minus 4. Okay, Nama? That implies 2x1 plus 3y1 minus 9 is equal to 0, or 2x1 plus 3y1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, the required equation the required equation 2x1 plus 3y1 minus 9 into 2x1 plus 3y1 minus 1 is equal to 0. That is the required equation of the locus is 2x plus 3y minus 9 into 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is our required equation of the locus. Okay, na? If the distance from P to the points 2, 3 and 2 minus 3 are in the ratio 2:3, then find the equation of the locus P is asking. Firstly, write the given points. Let the given points A 2, 3, B 2, minus 3. Okay, na? Let P x1, y1 be a point on the locus. Okay, Nama? Now see, given geometric condition, here he gave the axima, the ratio of P to that A and B in the ratio 2:3. Is PA is to PB is equal to 2:3. That implies PA by PB is equal to 2/3. So 3PA is equal to 2PB. Okay, now squaring on both sides means 9PA square is equal to 4PB square. Okay, that implies 9 into PA square means x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus 3 whole square is equal to 4 into PB square in the sense x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 plus 3 whole square. Okay, that implies CMA 9 into x1 square minus 4x1 plus 4 plus y1 square minus 6y1 plus 9 is equal to 4 into x1 square minus 4x1 plus 4 plus y1 square plus 6y1 plus 9. Okay, just write 9x1 square plus 9y1 square, 9 4s are 36x1, 9 6 are 54y1, and 4 plus 9 it is 13. Okay, na? 13 9s are 117 is equal to 4x1 square plus 4y1 square minus 16x1 plus 24y1. Okay na, and it is 9 plus 4 again 13. 13 4s are 52. Okay, bring all the values to this side ma. Then 5x1 square plus 5y1 square. See ma, it is plus 16x1 it becomes. Okay, minus 16x1 now, by transferring to left hand side that becomes plus 16x1. That is minus 20x1 here we are going to have. Here it is minus 54y1 now. This becomes minus 24, that is minus 78y1. Here we are having 117 ma. So this 52 comes and becomes minus 52. Then here we are going to have 65. Okay, is equal to 0. Therefore the required equation of the locus is 5x square plus 5y square minus 20x minus 78y plus 65 is equal to 0. Okay na? See ma, A, B, C are the three vertices given here. A point P moves such that PA square plus PB square is equal to 2PC square is given. Now he is asking us to show that the equation of the locus of that P is 2x minus 7y plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay na? So for that see ma, firstly we have to write the given vertices. Just we have to convert the geometric condition into algebraic condition by using the coordinate geometry formulas. x1 minus 1 whole square plus y1 minus 2 whole square plus x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 plus 3 whole square is equal to 2 into, okay, x1 plus 2 whole square plus y1 minus 3 whole square. Okay na ma? Now just simplify this. x1 square minus 2x1 plus 1 y1 square minus 4y1 plus 4 plus x1 square minus 4x1 plus 4 plus y1 square plus 6y1 plus 9 is equal to 2 into x1 square plus 4x1 plus 4 y1 square minus 6y1 plus 9. Okay Rama? See, here we are having 2x1 square plus 2y1 square. Okay, now here it is 2x1 and it is minus 4x1, so minus 6x1. Coming to y terms, it is a minus 4y1 and it is plus 6y1, that is plus 2y1. Coming to the constants, it is 1 and it is 4. 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 9 18. Okay Nama, is equal to 2x1 square plus 2y1 square plus 8x1 minus 12y1, and see it is 13. 13 2s are 26. Okay, so 2x1 square root 2x1 square root 2y1 square root 2y1 square are going to be cancelled. Now send all these values to that side now. So 8x1 plus 6x1 plus 12y1 minus 2y1, okay, plus 26 minus 18 is equal to 0. That implies Sima, it is 10 14x1 minus 14y1. Okay Nama, minus rest plus 26 minus 18 means plus 8 is equal to 0. By taking 2 as common, 7x1 minus 7y1 plus 4 is equal to 0. That implies 7x1 minus 7y1 plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, the required equation of the locus. Locus is 7x minus 7y plus 4 is equal to 0. This only we have to prove. Why? Because he asked us to prove that. That is hence proved. Okay, Nama?